Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to request Google to index your Hostinger website builder site. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to ask or request Google to index, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first let's open it in a new tab. Now go to Google or search for Google Search Console on Google and visit the first page, which is the official page of Google Search Console, or go straight to search.google.com. Now click on Start Now, then click on Add Property. Here I recommend you to go with URL prefix instead of domain for easy site verification. My website name is this, copy it, paste it here. You need to start with the HTTPS. Now after that, click on continue and wait a moment. This is the ownership verification step, and Google recommends you using HTML file. This is not possible for us. We can't upload a file to our Hostinger website builder site, so we will see other verification methods. I recommend you to verify using HTML tag. Click on it like that, copy this code, then go back to Hostinger website builder, click on more or these three dots, select integrations, click on custom code, and then add your code here. Click on save, update website. Now that your website was updated, return to Google Search Console, click on verify. I've just waited between a minute and two, and I've tried to verify again, and as you see, my ownership is verified. Now go to property, and this is my Hostinger website builder site added to Google Search Console. Now an important step, or the first step you need to do, is to add your sitemap to Google Search Console to make your website indexing a little bit faster. So go to sitemaps and now enter your sitemap URL, which is sitemap.xml. This is the same, this sitemap destination is the same for all websites on Hostinger website builder. Sitemap submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for changes, meaning Google will start indexing your website and you will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. Click on dismiss. This is my new sitemap added now. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This is my new sitemap added. Now, every little change, for example, adding a new page or editing your page, will be Google will know it from this sitemap submitted to your account. Now, to request Google to index a specific page on your website, it's simple. Just let's say I've updated my contacts page, for example, copy the page link, then add it here and hit enter. As you see, this page URL is not indexed on Google. Now to request Google to index it, it's simple. Click on this request indexing. Google now is testing if my page URL can be indexed. This may take a minute or two. And as you see, indexing requested. Now my page URL was added to a priority crawl queue, meaning my request for indexing is added successfully, and submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. And this is how to request Google to index your website on Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.